Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily install the Google Maps application. So usually the Google Maps application on your Android phones is pre-installed and you can't really uninstall it. But on your iPhone you have to install this application to use it. So to install this application, we have to add first enter App Store, and now we have to go into search. In the search bar, we have to search for Google Maps. Here, Google Maps. Now, as you can see, we have it almost first. Google Maps Transit Mode, and the developer is Google. So as you can see, this is an official application. Here you'll be seeing the get button, and you have to click this get button, and then you have to authorize yourselves using the Face ID or Apple ID password. Here I do have the cloud icon with the arrow. It's because I installed this application earlier. So now let's install this application. Now it's almost done. Halfway go. Now our application is downloaded and installed. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.